Is the
See,
helicopter?
the ground doesn't look the regular place like this one. Because this one.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Global Mindset University. My name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal.
My name is Amir Kamal.
On today's episode, Amir would like to share an art that he made while in his class. But because of some technical issue, battery was low, he would like to make this video and send it to his teacher. Let's get started. Amir, here's your floor.
Thank you. Sorry, Miss Clem. Sorry, Miss Sia. The battery was low on my computer, so I decided to put on the charger. So when I draw, I'll show you what I draw. Okay, here it is. It's a ship with a helicopter.
Can you show us which one is the ship? I'll hold for you.
Yeah, here's the ship on the water. I might need to write an arrow.
Show me which one is the water.
I might need to write an arrow to let you know.
Okay.
Okay, I just need to erase this part. Done.
And which one is the helicopter?
This one.
Okay. So, can you show me how do you know that helicopter is in the sky?
Daddy, so we don't need this one. I
Oh.
want it to be on controller.
Okay. Can you show me the cloud so we can know?
Over here.
Oh, that's the cloud?
Now I might need to finish.
So, tell us a little bit about this draw. Why you draw this?
I just wanted
What did you use
to
to draw?
have a door.
Did you use your leg or your hand?
Hand.
So, what are the benefit of hand?
We do all of the stuff with hands.
Okay.
We just pick up 2 things. We can pick up 3 things.
Yeah, that's the benefit of hand.
Yeah,
Alright.
we can also look at a telescope with just 1 hand.
Okay. So what Amir did is here, as you can see, he just explained it about he has a ship, and that ship lives on the water. To designate the water, he put those dots, right, Amir?
Yeah, dots are for the water.
For the water. And as you can see, this ship is floating.
Let's
Is the
add
ship
some
is floating,
brown.
Amir? Is the ship is floating or sink?
Float.
Floats. So what is float
Because
means?
some ships, they usually float,
Float.
not sink.
Okay.
I'll show you. Let's add some brown.
So what about the helicopter?
Here.
Is the
See,
helicopter?
the brown doesn't look the regular place like
Okay.
this brown, because this board is white. It needs to be dark,
Okay.
like this one. Look,
I like the
there's
way you
all
hold the
of the
pen.
drawings,
Okay.
and this one is the same. You see? Look, these are the same colors.
Right.
How about on here? It's too bright.
Can you also tell us any other benefits of hand?
Yes, we can
Please.
pick up 2 stuff. Like the
Okay.
big one is much bigger than the small one. We can put caps on.
Okay. All right. What else? What else? Hand. Can you use
Picking
your
up a
hand?
computer.
Okay. How about
Like this
typing?
one.
Typing. I saw you one time you was typing. Hand can use for typing.
Yeah,
Right.
we usually go to Claire to do typing.
Okay.
Now I don't really have typing.
Really?
Yes. So I just deleted the typing.
Yeah. You gotta ask. Gotta ask your teacher. Yep. Always.
Oh, actually, I have the TNT. Yeah.
Okay. What else,
We
Amir?
just, I'll show you what to make a TNT explode.
Mm-hmm.
You need a TNT, place it,
Alright.
get a phone
Mahfouz, do you have any question for Amir about his drawing?
Let's add a TNT on the ship.
Do you have any question?
It can explode. Do you want it to explode? Okay. You will see. And then you hit the black phone, and then you hit the gray. Then you also write TNT there. And then you hit the hit the gray phone with the sugar. That's a bit connected. So was the sugar like this?
And this is part of one of the strategies of generating
like a
innovative
triangle.
ideas. If you let kids
Right.
draw
Triangle.
and paint whatever they like, those things are helpful in generating innovative ideas. So it's how innovations come, and you can cultivate such kind of innovativity behavior on the kids at the early age as possible. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. And Amir,
oh, you never seen my greatest invention?
What invention?
Yeah, presenting the new fabulous marker.
Ooh, the new fabulous marker.
Look, it has all types of colors.
Okay.
Let's check it out.
What is fabulous means?
Means amazing.
What? Amazing. Look at
This
that.
one, this color is white.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. We're watching Amir
We can
Rashid.
see it a little bit,
He just
but
drew
it's slippery.
his painting here. I mean, you can say paint or whatever
Yeah,
he's
it's
pouring
just
in a
like
board.
resin.
So this is also one way of generating innovative ideas.
I think we need to put it in here. Yeah, we also need water cannons to make the.
Anything, Amir, before we conclude this video? Is there anything else you wanna say?
Yes.
What else?
Come on.
Where?
This.
Just stay
this
here,
way.
Amir.
Here's a microphone player.
Ooh.
Here's where you talk, and we just need a microphone. We need to
Alright.
talk inside the microphone.
Maybe in the next
and
episode.
release echo.
We can do that one on next episode. We can do that one on next episode. Is there
Bye.
anything else? Is there anything else you wanna say?
Yes.
Okay.
This video will be about cooking. My mom always cooks. Well, we can cook some stuff that doesn't need cooking.
Right.
Also, like cereal cooking. Yeah. My dad can easily help me if we're making peanut butter and jelly.
Ooh.
We
Have you
need-
done that before? Who did
Yes.
peanut butter and jelly?
Like someone a long time ago in the nighttime we was eating salsa.
What do you need to make a peanut butter and jelly bread? What are the ingredients?
Bread, 2 breads,
Mhm.
and peanut butter and jelly.
Okay. Do
We
you
need
need
to
a spoon or do you need a fork?
Spoon.
Okay.
No, knife.
No, you don't need knife. You don't need to cut anything, right? You just need
Daddy,
spoon. Mahfouz got it.
Daddy, do you know
Great.
that we
That's
need
all we have
the
for today.
peanut butter to be flat so is the jelly?
Yeah.
Also, can I tell my sister about
Go ahead.
this?
Go ahead, yeah.
Yeah, our sister will just be correct.
Okay. That's all we have. Don't forget.
We don't need to end this video.
Why? It's gonna be too long, Amir.
But we just need to finish it in the nighttime.
No, it's gonna be too long. Just say until we see each other on the next episode.
It's okay. My dad and me was yesterday nighttime, and we was doing work until it got morning.
Oh yes, we did. We spent a long hour to do a lot of projects, me and Amir.
Yeah, I
Yes.
really wanted to do brain
Yes,
pop,
Mahfouz was sleeping at that time. 'cause
and I
he was
really wanted
really
to.
tired on the daytime. Alright, Mahfouz gonna show. Yeah, sure, Mahfouz.
Okay.
Alright, that's all we have. Until we see each other in the next episode. Have a great day. Bum ba da da da.
Bum bra.
Bum ba da da da.
Bye, bum bum.
Bye, bum 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 bum
Bye,
bum
bum bummy.
bum 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 bum.
Bye, bum There is some art I made. There's lots of art here, and a little bit of. Here it is. Isn't it awesome?
It is.